Hello everyone. Welcome to the third video where we will talk about AI agents applied to energy efficiency. Do you have any questions about these topics?
Hello, thank you for providing me with this channel to share my doubts with you. I want to understand how to implement solutions to optimize energy consumption in our company. Where should I start?
Of course, the first fundamental step is to perform an initial energy consumption diagnosis. This involves analyzing how, where, and when energy is used in your facility. This is a systematic process that identifies opportunities for savings and efficiency improvements. For example, we collect preliminary information, such as floor plans, invoices, and operating schedules, and then make technical visits to measure parameters such as power consumption and temperatures.
And what are the specific benefits of this diagnosis?
A lot. On the one hand, it helps reduce operating costs by correcting inefficiencies. It also allows you to comply with energy efficiency and sustainability regulations, avoiding penalties. In addition, it improves competitiveness, since the most efficient companies can offer products or services at lower costs. Don't you have comprehensive health checkups on a temporary basis? Well, this is the same in a generalized way, but for the facilities and to be able to determine where to improve or correct the possible existing problems.
Sounds good, but how is the energy data handled for this analysis?
That's a big question. Energy data collection and analysis are crucial. Sources such as bills, smart meters, IoT sensors, and energy management systems are used to gather information about consumption. We then analyze that data to identify patterns, detect inefficiencies, and plan improvements. For example, we use advanced tools such as big data analytics and machine learning algorithms.
What if I find inefficiencies in my processes or equipment? How could I address them?
First, we identify common causes, such as obsolete procedures, inadequate use of technology, or lack of training. Then, we apply methodologies such as value stream mapping to visualize waste or surveys to obtain feedback from personnel. Solutions can range from automating repetitive tasks to streamlining processes. In addition, we train staff to ensure that everyone knows how to operate efficiently. In other words, once the problems are known, there are different types of medications to solve them.
Interesting. Now, what role do monitoring and control systems play in all this?
They are essential. Monitoring and control systems allow real-time measurement of how energy is being used. This includes sensors, energy management platforms, and intuitive user panels. With these systems, you can identify inefficiencies immediately and optimize processes. In addition, current technology, such as IoT and artificial intelligence, is transforming these systems, making them more accessible and effective.
How can I make sure that energy savings goals are achievable?
The key is to define clear objectives using the SMART methodology: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a 10% reduction in consumption in a specific area in 1 year can be set. This is complemented by detailed planning that includes technical actions and staff training, as well as constant monitoring to measure progress.
Okay, and after implementing these measures, what's next?
It is essential to generate diagnostic reports and a detailed action plan. This report should include an analysis of consumption, proposals for improvement, investment estimates, and the expected return on investment. On the other hand, the action plan should describe objectives, measures to be implemented, timelines, and responsible parties. This will give you a clear and precise roadmap to achieve your energy goals.
This sounds like a comprehensive project. How long can it take to see results?
It depends on the complexity of the measures implemented. Some improvements, such as equipment upgrades, may show results in a few months. Others, such as cultural changes in the organization, may require more time. However, with constant monitoring and follow-up, you can see significant progress in the short and medium term. Using the health comparative, how long does it take to cure a cold, and how long does it take to cure a head problem? It all depends on the diagnosis your facility may have.
Thank you very much for this very complete explanation. It is clear to me that this approach can transform our energy management. What would be the next step?
It will be a pleasure to help you to clarify these doubts. Remember, investing in energy efficiency not only reduces costs, but also positions your company as a leader in sustainability. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and can clarify any other doubts you may have got. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.